Hello everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, we will discuss about how to install OpenCV. Make sure you have activated your virtual environment. Now, before installing OpenCV, we need to install few dependency libraries. Dependency libraries for OpenCV are NumPy, SciPy, Matplotlib, Pandas, Jupyter, and scikit-learn. Open your text document. In the text document, type the following libraries: NumPy, SciPy, Matplotlib, Pandas, Jupyter, and scikit-learn. Close it. Open your Anaconda prompt now. Type pip install -r requirements.txt. Enter. Now I have installed all my requirements. Now you are ready to install OpenCV. Let me clear it. Type pip install OpenCV-Python. Enter. Since it is already there for me, that's why it says that requirement is already satisfied. In order to confirm whether your OpenCV is successfully installed or not, open Python shell by typing python import cv2. Once you type import cv2 and execute, if these commands work perfectly without any error, which means that your OpenCV is installed perfectly.